Hello everyone, friends. If you want to change your trading or finally build a stable source of additional income, then this video will be for you. Truly useful. So, watch until the end, and in the meantime, you can give it a like. Like this video and immediately subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new releases with useful information. Well, I'll start, and first I'll open my first trade. To show you the effectiveness of the trading robot, which you can get for free. So let's get started and choose the first currency pair for today. And let it be the euro to the US dollar. Let's select it on the trading robot and choose the necessary expiration time. Let's request signals. We have a buy signal, so we immediately open a trade for further price increase. And we will wait for the completion of this trade. In the meantime, I want to say that I fully understand how difficult it is for a beginner to make trading. A stable income. Sometimes there's a lack of knowledge, sometimes fear prevents making the right decision, and sometimes emotions just take over, and as a result, the capital goes into the negative. How many times has it happened that you entered a trade and started doubting it a second later? Or, on the contrary, missed a good opportunity because you were afraid of making a mistake? But what if I told you there's a solution that can help avoid these mistakes and make trading more stable? For such a case, you can connect a trading robot, which will become your reliable assistant. Or maybe you want to completely entrust it with trading and simply follow its signals, minimizing the risk of human error. This trading robot is a real breakthrough in the world of trading. It accurately analyzes the market based on automated algorithms and finds optimal entry points and the optimal price movement direction. Its profitability reaches 89%. And this is confirmed by hundreds of traders who have already connected it for themselves. And unlike a human, it doesn't succumb to emotions, isn't afraid, doesn't doubt, and doesn't make impulsive mistakes. Another huge advantage is that it is not tied to any specific time frames. You can trade at any convenient time for you without being bound to a specific schedule or time zone. Want to earn money in the morning? Go ahead, prefer the evening session without any issues. This robot analyzes the market around the clock and is always ready to provide you with an accurate signal. And most importantly, it is absolutely free, available to everyone, and you can get it right now by simply clicking the link in the description below this video. Well, I can already take it. The first profit for today according to the signal, in fact, which the trading robot provided us. As you can see, the movement went up, we have a positive close, and accordingly, we can lock in the first profit for today and move on to selecting the next currency pair for the next trade. I suggest we don't go far. Let's choose the next currency pair and also select it on the trading robot. We also choose a 1-minute expiration, request a signal. But look, the trading robot cannot guarantee the signal. So we need to choose the next currency pair and go through the already convenient and tested steps again. We choose the currency pair, set the expiration time, and we have a sell signal. Immediately we place our trade for a price decrease and wait for the results, just like last time. And believe me, I know that many might have doubts about the trading robot's performance. Does it even work? Can it be trusted? And to dispel all fears, I demonstrate its operation in real time on my Telegram channel. You can visit, check the trades, test it, and see for yourself that it truly generates profit. I will also leave a link to the channel in the description under this video, so you can already come and check the statistics or join and wait for the next trading session. I will definitely conduct it, and you will be able to test everything yourself. But before you start using the trading robot, I want to give you a couple of important tips on how to make its operation as effective as possible. Please remember that the trading robot is your assistant, but it does not override the basic rules of trading. And to achieve stable profits and minimize risks, it is important to manage your capital correctly and follow proven strategies. The first rule I want to talk about is risks. The size of a single trade should not exceed 10% of your deposit. This will help avoid large losses and maintain your balance even in the case of several consecutive losing trades. For example, if you have $100 in your account, then the optimal trade size is no more than $10. If your balance increases, you can reconsider the amount, but the main thing is not to exceed reasonable limits. The second important point is precisely about regularly reviewing your capital. Once a week or once a month, analyze how your balance has changed. Allocate a certain portion of funds for trading and fix the remaining amount as profit. This approach will help you not lose your entire deposit and gradually increase your capital. For example, if your deposit grew by 50% over the week, you can withdraw part of the profit or leave it to increase your trading volume. But do not invest the entire balance in new trades immediately. In the meantime, you might have already noticed that we recorded 2 plus Pocket 2. We have a profit. And I want to open one more additional trade, but with a shorter expiration time. Let it be. It will be 1 minute, so let's select our next currency pair. For today, let it be the Australian dollar to the Swiss franc. And we will select it on the trading robot and also set the expiration time we need. Therefore, as I said, we reduce the expiration time to 1 minute, select the currency pair, request a signal, and it is for buying. Therefore, we open a trade for further price increase. And in the meantime, I'll tell you more about the third piece of advice, which is to set clear financial goals. This will greatly help you structure the trading process, track progress, and find patterns that yield the best results. All you need to do is determine for yourself how much you want to earn in a week, a month, or 3 months. And if you notice that certain currency pairs yield more profit, you can prioritize them in trading. Or if you have a specific time for trading when trading with a robot gives you the best results. By consistently applying these simple yet effective rules, you can gradually and steadily increase profits, minimize risks, and take your trading to a new level. The main thing is to act thoughtfully, analyze your results, and use the trading robot as a tool for confident earnings. And the sooner you start, the faster you will see results. I see them in my trading already as regularly as possible. And as you can notice, right now we have 3 closed trades out of 3 with positive results. We have excellent profits for today, so I suggest we wrap up this video. I will leave a link to the trading robot in the description. Connect it right now, join Telegram, see how I trade using its signals, and start earning. Also, starting today. Well, I bid you farewell. See you soon. Bye.